Yes. Welcome to Sims. This is Santi ma'am. Today I am going to explain how to construct, how to draw root 10 on number line, how to represent an irrational number on number line. I am going to draw now. Listen carefully, children. You know, first you have to take scale, ruler or scale. Take ruler and draw line. Line means what? It extends indefinitely in both the directions. It extends indefinitely in both the directions. Now take one compass. You mark points on this like this. Mark points on number lines. Are you observing, children? Practice, you can get it properly. So, as usual, number lines, in whole numbers and integers, how did you draw? You can mark 0, 1, 2, 3, and it is root 10. It is more than 3. How can you say more than 3? Root 10, root 9 is what? Before number is what? Root 9. Root 9 is 3. It is a perfect square. So, it is 4. In square numbers, it is 1 square, root 1 square, it is root 2 square, and it is root 3 square. Now coming to here, root 4 square. That means what? Root 1, root 4, root 9, and root 16. So our value is what? Root 10. Root 10 lies between these two numbers. You observe clearly, children, these two numbers. Root 10 lies between these two numbers. So root 9 after what you will get? Root 10. Root 9 after what you will get? Root 10. It is an irrational number. How to represent this one on number line? You should learn. See, you don't feel, children, it is very easy. You know, before only I made you to learn in Pythagoras theorem, sum of the squares of opposite sides and adjacent side is equal to hypotenuse. Suppose it is 1 and it is 1. What is this? Root 2. You can write like this. Height is not changing. You observe, children. Height is not changing. Next, you see, similarly, you can get base as this is root 4. Here you will get root 3. Root 4 means what? 2. Here also you will get 1. Before number is what? Root 9 and root 10. You can see this one, you can observe properly. A square is equal to B square plus C square. That means A is what? Hypotenuse, and B is opposite side, and C is equal to what? Adjacent side. So root 10 whole square is equal to root 9 whole square plus root 1 whole square. That is equal to root 9 plus 1, here 10. 10 is equal to 10. Both are same. Coming to this number line, what to do here? Root 9 is there. Hypotenuse is what? This one. So height is, you see, from here to here you have to take. You draw like this, children. See, first how much measure is there, you see. You can use protractor or set square to construct this 90 degrees. I am taking root 9 as a base. Now I am drawing this figure. Root 9 as base with the same measure, 1 unit. We have to take height as 1 unit. These are all 1 units only, children. 1 unit. Any measure you can take, but 1 unit is equal to, here I have taken 2 centimeters. How much you are taking for every division, you can take that one only. Now I am drawing, I am using set square to draw, to construct perpendicular. This is the instrument to draw. It is 30, 60, 90. 30, 60, 90. We have two types of set squares. It is 30, 60, 90. It is 90 degrees. Here it is 90 degrees. And you join this. Sorry. Here I have to draw, children. It is wrong. By mistake I did. No problem. It is what? Root 17. You can take this value. This is for root 17. And this is for, you take this set square and draw this line perpendicular. Which one I am drawing now? I will draw once again here. See, like this you will get root 9, 1 unit, and this is root 10. This is A and this is B. B what I have taken here? Yeah, this is B and this is C. That means what is the side? AC, B. AB is hypotenuse in this case. You need to take AC only the hypotenuse. So, this is 90 degrees. Now you join the hypotenuse from here to here. From here to here you join. Observe properly. Here to here you join. And what you will get, it is root 10. How to mark on number line root 10? With the help of this one only, measure the length. We cannot do this exactly, decimals we can't get, but we will get in this way. You measure the length of root 10 like this and mark here. This is our required value, root 10. Okay children, thank you very much. Did you understand or not? This triangle only here I constructed. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much children. Everybody you learn, I think. Bye.